Morning, everybody. We had a really good sleep last night. It's so calm here. The wind was not blowing. We pulled in. There's 9 other boats in this anchorage, and then we woke up and looked outside. There's actually no boats. That boat arrived this morning, so everybody left. Which is just so depressing. When you finally are around other people and then they're gone. They just leave you. Anyway, it's really nice here. I'm curious why everybody left, because there's supposed to be a big system today that's blowing, which it is blowing in here already, but anyway. Alright. Yeah, we could. Anywho's, we're gonna go swimming, right?
I think we should move closer. I think we're getting a little bit of swell coming around this corner.
And then we're gonna go swimming.
Sure, yeah.
Okay.
Show the pufferfish all around the tank.
Oh, I didn't even got it. I was really struggling to get down.
I go with the camera. I feel like
I don't think that's very good. You feel like what?
it's like prickly.
What?
Like a jellyfish.
Really? Let's see. Where?
That's Sailing Totem. They're on Instagram. I think they got a pretty big following there.
Cool. Should go say hi.
Well, I think they're leaving.
Oh wow. Okay, let's see. How much did you rub this spot on your face?
Not much.
It's red.
What about my side? Looks a little red here.
There's some spots there. Yeah, a little red there. My spot on my back's red.
Is it?
Yeah. It's so weird. You'll see in one of the videos, Lyndon, we dove down and then he starts going like this. And there's something in the water. They might have been like little jellyfish, but they like little stings all over. I got a couple on my back and he got one like on his face and on his shoulder. So I'm assuming jellyfish because we didn't see anything. But yeah, there's so many fish here and it's so clear. It's not nearly as clear as yesterday. So there's another boat right over there. They had some engine stuff go wrong. They went to leave the day that we came in, or the morning after we came in, and they ended up turning around and coming back in. So they needed a part, and we ended up having it for them, which was awesome. So anyways, but they told us there's a restaurant over here, and they have like swimming pool and other types of facilities, and if you go eat there you can use their facilities all day. So that's awesome. We're gonna go tonight for dinner and check it out and see how it is. Upon further inspection, turn into the sun more. Look at the welts.
Crazy. So hopefully we talked about it. About the dinghy problems we've been having. With the one hole that we got in Sausalito. Just gonna go, I've blown it back up. We're gonna check to see if that patch worked and if our dinghy problems are over.
Yes.
Let's check it.
Hard to tell with the wind, but
Fixed.
cha-ching! Our dinghy patch seems to have worked really well. We did it was the hole that's on the seam on the front, and we patched it. I think this is our 4th time patching it, and it's just always leaked. So what we did is we cut the hole a little bigger and we shoved vinyl underneath, so on the inside of the pontoon, squirted a bunch of glue in it and like let that harden up there, and then we did the same patch on top. So we're hoping that it's gonna work for good. I have high hopes for it, so. Not our smoothest landing, but not too bad. This place looks gorgeous. Our dry bags. We don't have a dry bag, but we're Ray can do. Got some black garbage bags. That is so awesome. Wi-Fi was very slow. We were hoping to get some Christmas movies, but couldn't remember our password.
So we just tried to upload an episode for you guys and failed. So what episode is it? 72?
I think 72 has been the hardest
I think it's Newport. Yeah, so it's late. It's gonna be late. Sorry about that. But it's gorgeous here. We got this little restaurant was awesome just to hang out in, and it was lots of fun. Yeah. So we're gonna head back to the boat. Memories fade cold this winter.
Oh, nice! Look how clear!
Best beach landing ever!
I got coral!
You get a car!
Oh, it's so beautiful! Look at the moon.
One of our best days in Mexico.
Oh, yeah. Oh. That's so pretty. Oh, that's awesome. Pretty nice.
That'd be a good Instagram picture.
Instagram picture. It's very calm out.
Yeah, where's this strong winds? I know. We'll just pull up anchor and start leaving.
Oh yeah, then we'll come.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to all you who've stuck around to the end. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook or Instagram. Also, don't forget Xanadu is for sale, so if you're wanting to have your own sailing adventure, check out the ad below and give us an email. Otherwise, we'll see you next Wednesday.